Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Cikin wannan video insha Allah za mu yi bayani kan yadda ake creating na dependable drop down list a cikin Excel. Ga waɗanda suka kalli Excel series nawa KOYI EXCEL wanda na yi video guda 51 a ciki, na yi bayani kan yadda ake creating drop down list a cikin Excel. So duk da mutum ma bai san yadda za a yi wannan ba, insha Allah cikin wannan video duka zan nuna wannan, amma yau zai yi bayanin kan yadda za ku creating ba drop down list kwara ɗaya ba, za ku creating dependable drop down list. Shi ne abin da za mu yi bayani cikin wannan video. So abin da za mu yi bayani kai shine za mu creating drop down ne under state, sai ya kasance duk state inda mutum ya selecting zai ba shi local government na wannan state in nashi. So shine abin da za mu yi creating a cikin wannan video, shine dependable drop down list. So first of all, in order for you to create that, you need to create a database. You need to have your own database where you put all the list of the states, the list of the LGS da kake so. So for now we are going to create a header. Let's just call it state. So now under this header state, the muka kira state. Okay, let me just do it at the top. Okay, let me just say state. So now under state, I'm going to write the name of the state da nake so ya amfani da su. So I'm going to write, for example, Zamfara. I'm going to write Sokoto. I'm going to write Zamfara, Sokoto, then let's say Kano, like this. So I'm going to write this, Zamfara, Sokoto, Kano. Yes, so we can add another one, we can add Abuja. So now we are going to create this state Demuke creating. Now we are going to create local government based on what? Each and every state, and this local government is going to take the variable of all the state. That means the list of the state in Suni, that's zama heading namu na wannan abun da muke bukata. So I'm going to copy this. If I copy it, I'm going to right click it, then I'm going to click this transpose. Most of people doesn't know this transpose exists in Excel. So but let me just show you how you can do it if you are not using 2019 Excel. Just click on special, paste special. Under this paste special, just select this. You will see transpose here. You will see transpose here. Just select transpose like this. If you click it like this, so we are going to paste it vertical instead of horizontal. Shine ma'anar wannan transpose in. So if I paste it like this, za ku ga cewa Zamfara, Sokoto, Kano, Abuja yanzu sun zama abun nan namu, sun zama variable kamar haka. So now we are going to create local government in this. So we are going to create a local government in this under this. So now so we are going to create local government under each and every state. Now we are going to create local government under every state. So for Zamfara we are going to say, let's say Gusau, and for after Gusau we say Kaura, then we say Mafara, then we say Saifi. Let's just create 4 out of this. So as for Sokoto states, we are going to create, for example, let's say Binji, Gudu, Gada, Gwadabawa. So as for Kano, we are going to create Kano Municipal. We are going to create Ungogo. We are going to create Nasarawa. Then we are going to create Bichi. So as for Abuja, we have Amak, we have Buari, we have let's just put 2. That's all what I can think of. So now we create the list. Okay, let me just so that I separate them so that you will not get confused. So now after you have the list of the, so we have state, make sure the variable of your, let me just make this bold. Make sure the variable of your state, of your local government is the what? Is the headings of the state. That is the state. So under each state, Zamfara, we have Zamfara here, Sokoto, we have Sokoto, under it we have the LGS under them. So the next thing you are going to do now is just highlight the LGS like this, highlight it. Then come here under this name box. You will see name box here. Just click on it, delete this E2 and just write Zamfara. Just write Zamfara and press enter. So now I'm done with this. Then I will come to this and highlight this LGS of Sokoto. Just write Sokoto here. Please enter. Click enter. So now just click here. Just write Kano. Press enter. Then now highlight these 2. Click here and write Abuja. Okay, let me just highlight only these 2. So I'll just highlight these two, sorry. Say click in Abuja. So like this. So now we did this. We are done with this. So now, just come to your state now. So what we are going to do now is, we are going to move to data. Under data, nan a data, kazo data. Say click in data validation. So when you click your data validation, select any value, select it and select list. Say click in wannan source. So your source should be what? Sheet 2. Just click sheet 2. It will just automatically push sheet 2 for you. Just click sheet 2. It will push sheet 2 for you. Just highlight the state like this. Highlight them. You see it? Just highlight it. So when you highlight it, then you select OK. Like this. So just select OK. So now we have our drop down Zamfara. You see, this is our Zamfara. So let's leave it Zamfara. So now as for LGS, we are going to go back to data and select data validation. Just select data validation and select any value, select list. So now on that list, we are going to say equals to indirect. Then you put open bracket. Equals to indirect, open bracket. Then you select this Zamfara. Just click on Zamfara here. Then you close your bracket. After you close the bracket, remove this $sign. Put it on a $sign indicator. There to just click on it and remove the $sign. So like this, indirect, and just select this Zamfara and press OK. So now if you click on it, you are going to see the LGS of Zamfara state. So now if I select, for example, Gusau. Now if I change it to Sokoto, if I click it back, I'm going to see Binji, Gudu, Gada, whatever. If I select Abuja, I'm going to see all these Buhari, Emak, the Saurons. If I select Kano, I'm going to see LGS related to Kano. So this is it. So let me just delete this. So let me just highlight it and just drag it down. Sorry. So let's drag it down. So now if I come here, form Nina creative, if I say Kano, now I can choose it. I can see Nasarawa. If I say Zamfara, Kano, Zamfara, for example, then I'm going to select Gusau, for example. If I say Sokoto, then I will select Gudu. I even put Guda. So if you want to change it, for example, like I made mistake, I'll just come to the database here. I'll change it to Gudu, like this. So now if I come back and select it, I'm going to see this Gudu instead of Guda, like this. So that's all. So this is how you create dependable drop down list inside Excel. And I hope this video inshallah will help a lot of people. That's iya kuma za ku creating a lot of templates waɗanda mutane za su yi amfani da su domin su cika a Excel, kuma ba dole sai sun rubuta ba, saboda amfanin wannan drop down list. Nobody will write it on himself, because in kace ko a rubuta state ina wannan yasa Sokoto, wannan yasa Sokoto, one different spellings zaka gani. But if you create a drop down list, they must choose out of what? Out of the options da ka ba su. So wannan shine drop down list. Kuma nan zamu tsaya cikin wannan video. Da fatan Allah ka samu dace. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.